Stock number 403-880 to 2017 Pacifia Chrysler. It does have the key, it does not start. Deck lid, there's no deck lid. The brake lights are in there, tail lights. They still look good to me. From what I see, there's no body damage on this car. It's in great condition. Again, it does have a key, but it does not start. Even the interior is in great condition. Glove box. There's the driver's side. Here's the passenger side. It does have a moonroof. Back of these do have TV screens. Both of them. Third row seating. Again, this is stock number 403-880 to 2017 Chrysler Pacifia.